Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening ma. Today's current affairs. World Turtle Day is observed annually on which date to spread awareness about turtles and tortoises? It's on May 23rd ma. Shyamala G. Bhave, who passed away recently, was a renowned vocalist. Who has been appointed as the National President of FICCI, Ladies Organization, Jahnavi Fukan. KKR has agreed to buy 2.32% stake in Jio platforms for how many crores? So 2.32% stake means it's 11,367 crores. 11,367 crores. So RIL headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chairman and MD Mukesh D. Ambani. KKR, so headquarters New York, United States, CEO George R. Roberts. IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, has allowed which bank to continue with a 30% holding in India First Life Insurance, with the condition that the lender will hold no control in the insurance management. It's a Union Bank of India. Headquarters Mumbai. CEO Raj Kiran Rai G. Raj Kiran Rai. Tagline: good people to bank with. India First Life Insurance headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD and CEO RM Vishaka. But these brackets actually I do mention separately. I don't think so in the exam it will be given. So to make known about that abbreviation details and all, I just put it in brackets. Hope it will be useful for you. Researchers at which institution have developed a new trough collector to provide sustainable energy solutions for agriculture and industrial processes? It's IIT Madras. Which country has become the second largest producer of PPE, that is personal protective equipment, coveralls, after China? It is none other than India ma. ONGC has signed an MOU with which company to set up a joint venture for renewable energy business? It's with NTPC. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, headquarters at New Delhi, founded on 1956. Chairman and Managing Director Shashi Shankar. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, NTPC, headquarters New Delhi, India, founded on 1975. Chairman and Managing Director Gurdeep Singh. The Chief Minister of which state has inaugurated Everybody Will Get Employment scheme through video conference to ensure MNREGA? What is that ma? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Previously it was only National Rural Employment Guarantee Act ma. So it been prefixed with Mahatma Gandhi recently. Clear? So MNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So ensure MNREGA job cards are distributed among laborers. So the Chief Minister of which state has inaugurated Everybody Will Get Employment scheme through video conferencing to ensure MNREGA job cards are distributed among laborers? It is none other than Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Lalji Tandon. The US has decided to pull out of which treaty? That is the Open Skies Treaty. As it allowed unarmed surveillance flights over member countries. USA capital Washington DC. Currency United States dollar. President Donald Trump. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister has inaugurated which scheme to provide jobs to laborers under skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled categories? It is Shram Siddhi Abhiyan. So about Madhya Pradesh recent news, MP the first state to launch innovative scheme FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana. Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana. Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana. 1 lakh Anganwadi workers benefited because of that scheme. The city of Indore of Madhya Pradesh has become the first city in the country to deploy drones to sanitize city areas against the coronavirus outbreak by sprinkling chemicals. That is the first city. Which one? Indore of Madhya Pradesh. Prakash Javadekar launched which program to engage students with postgraduate degrees for a period of 1 year through an open, transparent online competitive process. It is a Biodiversity Samrakshan Internship Program. Biodiversity Samrakshan Internship Program. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Whom? Prakash Javadekar. Which company has recently won the Economic Times Iconic Brand for the year 2019-20? It is HSL India. It is HSL India. Hanman Scientific Laboratory. Hanman Scientific Laboratory, HSL, located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Head KB Rastogi. Tennis star Jamie Hampton, who announced his retirement recently, belongs to which country? It is none other than US. Which among the following has become the highest paying female athlete in the world? Who is the highest paying female athlete? Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka. The Competition Commission of India, CCI, has approved acquisition of what percent? 100%. It's 100% of total issued and paid up share capital of Imami Cement Limited on a fully diluted basis by Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited. Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited. Who among the following has assumed the chair of the World Health Organization's Executive Board? Harshavardhan. So I think it's repeated, right? But hope it's been very important. So WHO headquarters Geneva, Switzerland, founded 7th April 1948, Director General Tedros Adhanom. Which among the following country has successfully tested and recorded the world's fastest internet data speed? None other than Australia. Australia capital Canberra, currency Australian dollar, Prime Minister Scott Morrison. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow.